Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be discussing cash discount programs. If you're a business owner, you might have heard of this term before, but you might not be 100% sure about how it works. This video will give you an overview of what a cash discount program is and how it works. Simply put, a cash discount program is when a business offers a discount to customers who pay with cash instead of credit cards. The discount is typically a percentage of the total sale price and is meant to offset the cost of credit card processing fees. When a customer purchases something with a credit card, the business is charged a processing fee by the credit card company. These processing fees can add up over time and become a significant expense for the business. By offering a discount for cash payments, the business is incentivizing customers to use cash instead of credit cards, which saves the business money on processing fees. Offering a cash discount program can have several benefits for a business. First and foremost, it saves them money on credit card processing fees. Additionally, it can make the checkout process faster since there is no need to wait for credit card approval. It can also save the customer money, since they are getting a discount for using cash. Overall, it can be a win-win situation for both the business and the customer. And that's it. We hope this video helped you gain a better understanding of cash discount programs. As a business owner, you may want to consider implementing a cash discount program to save money on credit card processing fees and improve the checkout experience for your customers.